As you can tell from the thumbnail and the title of this video, I bought a Haban Sickle bar mower. Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome back to another vlog day. Well, actually, I can't take all of the credit. My buddy in Massachusetts sent me a link to this very tractor behind me. I sent over a message and got a response back saying I was one of the first messages. After some talking, we made an arrangement to meet. After taking the short trip over to Massachusetts, well, actually I can show you that. Let's roll that clip. Yep.
I don't know how you're supposed to be able to push it, but I always thought awesome.
Yeah.
You're gonna have a long leg to do it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. All right, so now that the guy showed us how this thing works, let's get this thing off of the trailer and take a deeper dive in how this Haban Sickle bar differs from the Sears Sickle bar. Hey, future Alex here. Are you one of the many that aren't subscribed here? About 80% of you are not subscribed. It's free and easy, and you can always unsubscribe later. We are so close to our major goal. All right, let's get back to the video. All right, so let's get this thing off of the trailer. So I just unstrapped it, and this should be a nice mint running tractor. Sorry for the attire. It is absolutely freezing out here, and it's been raining for the past week. So I will take the cold weather over the rain. So yes, oh, look at this. This does not suit the mainly media standards. This is way too nice for our channel here. But you know, maybe this can be the new look for the channel. A nice, beautiful looking, running, hopefully, tractor. So I got the key here. Let's see what the starting procedure is. Let's see what this will take to start up. Yeah, wow. Yeah, this is way too nice for mainly media, huh? It is freezing, like I said, so. Yeah, that started up way too easy, way too nice, so. All right, let me back this thing off the trailer and let's take a deeper look into it. All right, so I don't think I mentioned it before, but the name of this rig is Gary. So introducing Gary to the channel. So yeah, let's take this, let's put this sickle bar down and see what this thing's all about. and this thing is just awesome. So let's see how this differs from the Sears one. Obviously it looks like there's bigger components, more heavy duty, definitely more to it. So let's take a deeper dive into that. So first off, to lower this, you have what looks like a Haban. The Habans have this to mount on your front clip. And then this has big heavy duty springs right there to allow this to float up and down. So with this, you put your leg here, you pull up, see how that works. Then you'll pull this out. You pull that out, and then you can slowly let it down. There's a giant spring in there. You can't see it yet. That allows you to slowly lower this down into place, and there you go. This rotates for your foot to have some comfort, which is awesome. And then here's your bar. So let's just work from the bar to the engine. So this whole thing gets slid by this, and this gets slid with that. That goes around and around, and that's controlled right here by a pulley and a belt. So there's belt number 1, and that goes to this drive shaft. So yes, there's a drive shaft. Probably the weakest point of the last one. And then that drive shaft runs all the way to the front mule. And then that goes up into there. It goes up into a gearbox. And that gearbox gets ran right here by the engine. So only, I think, 3 belts on this thing. So the little one right here that I'm hopefully showing you. So that little one that goes up to that gearbox, and then that gearbox comes out 90 degrees here to the engine. And then you have the one that runs from here down to the drive shaft there. So awesome, way better of a design. Again, the shortest belt here, being a short belt here instead of going all the way, is just not good. And then having this over here is way better, and you know, better design, which is awesome. So I want to make sure I find all the grease points. Looks like we got one in here. We might have one on that tube, which I think I'm seeing right there. So have one there. There might, that gearbox will have oil in it, gear oil, so we have to make sure we have that, but I'll make sure to look for all of the grease points, because you want to make sure those are greased for long life expectancy. So yeah, nice little shield here. Protects your foot from when you're putting this up and down, this heavy thing, because that is dangerous. And the best part, let me go get it. And the best part about it is it came with the shield. So I'm really not sure how this goes on, but I'm guessing it goes on something like that. Something like that, so that you don't pinch your finger. Really not sure. You didn't show how to put that on, but I would imagine it goes on something like that so that you're safe, because this thing is literally a death trap. But yeah, a little strap goes in there, which I do have, but it is in bad condition. So, but yeah, so it does have the safety shield, nice red so that you see it. So that is the entirety of that unit. And yes, I do know that the sticker's upside down. The previous owner did point that out as well. So yeah, a little OCD unhappy, but that's all right. So, but there's the full thing. Well, that's it for now. Make sure to check out the next video on this Haban Sickle Bar mower. We will test that when it gets warmer. As you can tell, it's still wintertime. It is still freezing, not ideal weather for this Haban Sickle Bar. And we will test it, compare it to the Sears Sickle Bar that we tested. We all know how that went, did not enjoy it. But that's all for now. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. And as always, I will catch you in the next vlog day.